I'm Chef Greg, and today I'm going to show you how to French this rack of lamb. A lot of times when you find your rack of lamb at the grocery store, it's already been Frenched, but sometimes they're not, and it can save you a little bit of money if you do it yourself. If you grab your rack of lamb, you can pull this fat cap off the back. Might need a little bit of tension from your knife. Again, you can save this. It's a good bit of fat, but you can grind this up. It's great in burgers or sausage. So the first step is if you take the tip of your knife and run it along the back of each bone. You can then take your fingers between each bone and pull that meat away. And once you got that meat pulled back away from the bone, you can take your knife and kind of cut and trim that away. And for any of those stubborn pieces in between, just go back with your knife and you can just trim it up. So again, we got those bones nice and clean. We've got a good bit of fat on top of that loin. There's also some silver skin that runs underneath. We want to make sure we remove that as well. So just grab the tip of your knife and you can just go and remove that off. Here we have our perfect rack of lamb, Frenched, ready to go. This is absolutely amazing around the holidays. If you're curious how we've cooked it, check the link in the description below for the recipe for the Panko Crusted Lamb.